But because we turned it all back on, it's going to start cycling.
Do you happen to remember what that computer interface looked like? Was it a special computer or was it?
I'm on the right one, but I'm not getting continuity through that bottom float. It's the right float. Oh, look at it. Look at it. It like exploded. I've never seen one do that before. Look at it. It's like fully expanded. And these are standard floats. Like these are the good ones.
That's what you told me, yeah. You said that was an upgrade from before.
It's overkill from these. These are cheap little little sensor floats. That's a mechanical float. Wow. And yeah, no continuity through the meter. It's not shutting the pump off. It's a bad float.
I get the physics of the situation. What in the world would cause that?
Uh-huh. I mean, it's not like it's a... It's not a mercury. What I'm reading here is resistance.
Yeah.
Now, when the float switch is in the up position, I should have no resistance. The current is able to run right through it. So I will get continuity between wire A and wire B. So right there, I have continuity, no resistance. Now, if the float switch is in the down position, like if I lift this guy up right here, the float is now in the down position. Now, I do not have continuity. Open line, that's what OL stands for. Sure. And then as soon as that float gets lowered back in, which, let's see if I can do this. Continuity.
Perfect. Thank you. And that's what we weren't getting before.
On the old float, I'm just getting nothing. Float up, float down, get nothing. So the old float is just not sending a signal anymore. It thinks the float is in one position, no matter what position it's in.
Yep. Wow.